Hi, it's Andy here at Martin Atkinson's Specialist Vans. Today we're going to be taking you around this newly registered Volkswagen Transporter 204ps bi-turbo 4Motion. Got the DSG gearbox. This is the top of the range model, short wheelbase, beautiful Fortana Red metallic. As you can see, vehicle in standard form at the minute. So usually we would style leather, carpet line, etc. This vehicle, and that's absolutely an option. So we have got packs on our advert listed of what we can do to this vehicle for you, so you can personalise it and have it just how you want it. Now this one is a particularly high spec one. We've been waiting nearly 2 years for it, as that's been the sort of waiting times. As you can see, it's got the LED headlights at the front there. 17-inch Davenport wheels on this one, with it being a T32. Got the two individual seats up front. Now in terms of factory options, this one has the twin electric sliding doors, heated front seats, Discover Media navigation with wireless app connect. Standard stuff includes your air conditioning, adaptive cruise control, front and rear park sensors and power folding mirrors. This one does also have this little button here, which is park assist. So it will self-park itself, which maybe isn't the most useful part of that feature, given that most of us will just park the vehicle ourselves. It does come with a couple of extra sensors either side in the front and rear bumper, which gives you a bit of a sense as to what's down the side of you. And I find that really useful when looking at the display. In the back, this one's got the 2+1 seating option, so this seat can fold up to allow access to the rear, if I just do it correctly, which I'm not doing clearly. And also all the seats fold down in half and can be taken out. Now, as mentioned, one of the things we often do for people is carpet line the rear area and put LED spots in the tailgate and in the roof. So that's something we can do if you want it doing. Moving to the rear, it does have the optional reverse camera too. There's a second sliding door that moves electrically as well. Now this one's got a quite rare option here in that it has diff lock. Now if you're towing, particularly if you're going somewhere that's wet, maybe a bit gravelly, etc., diff lock can be an absolute godsend to get you out of trouble. So really useful option. Hill descent control there too, and this one does have the heated washer nozzles, which when you get to sort of -5 and even lower on temperature, again, an absolute godsend. So delivery mileage, 145 miles only. Great spec vehicle, available right now. Now, as most of you will know, you can't order these anymore from Volkswagen. There's only what stock has been put on order. So it's a great opportunity, priced very sensibly. So if you want to have a good look at it and read through the advert, that's on our website at justnicevans.co.uk, along with a load of photos too. We do supply finance. We've got a good broker, and also we can take part exchange. So if you're interested in the vehicle, then please do get in touch with us. Thanks for watching.